It's a good week to stay at home. Netflix has a bunch of new titles releasing this week. Halftime is a documentary about Jennifer Lopez that centres on her 2020 Super Bowl halftime show. Spiderhead is a thriller starring Chris Hemsworth and Miles Teller that revolves around a high-security prison where inmates are being experimented on. If you prefer a light-hearted comedy drama, Dakota Johnson stars in Cha-Cha Real Smooth, which arrives on Apple TV Plus this week. Here are some of the best movies and TV shows to watch in the UAE, Saudi Arabia and the rest of the GCC this weekend. Click on the link below to see our full list across all streaming services. Halftime is a documentary that looks at the incredible career of superstar Jennifer Lopez, centering on her career-defining Super Bowl 54 halftime show. Through never-before-seen footage, audiences will see the side of the performer that only a few close friends and family have seen. It also focuses on the pressure she faces being in the spotlight. Halftime streams on Netflix June 14th. Starring Chris Hemsworth and Miles Teller, Spiderhead is a thriller that centres on two inmates inside a state-of-the-art penitentiary. The two manage to form a friendship despite being under the control of a surgically planted device that injects various doses of mind-altering drugs. Spiderhead streams on Netflix June 17th. Based on the novel of the same name, The Summer I Turned Pretty is a coming-of-age drama that centres on Belly, who spends the summer vacation in her family's beach house. After meeting with her friend Susanna and her brothers Jeremiah and Conrad, she realises that she's falling for both the brothers, which could make her vacation a little bit complicated. Season 1 is streaming on Amazon Prime Video on June 17th. Cha-Cha Real Smooth is a comedy drama that stars Dakota Johnson and Cooper Raiff. In the film, a man working as a host at a bar mitzvah party crosses paths with a mother. The man instantly bonds with the mother and even becomes close friends with her autistic daughter. Cha-Cha Real Smooth streams on Apple TV Plus June 17th. Follow one of the most recognisable celebrity families as they navigate their lives through fame and fortune. The Kardashians is a new series that focuses on sisters Kourtney, Kim, Khloe, Kendall and Kylie and explores their current and past lives and relationships. The Kardashians is now streaming on Disney Plus with new episodes every week. We hope you enjoyed this week's roundup of what to watch from Tech Radar Middle East. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified of all our new videos.